Hi, my name is Dr. Lesley Goff and I'm a human and animal physiotherapist. People often ask me, what is animal physiotherapy? Or why would you do physiotherapy for animals? Animal physiotherapy is an emerging profession representing physiotherapists who are qualified to treat people, applying those same skills to animals. Now, we all know that physiotherapists can help with neck pain, back pain, sporting injuries, muscle sprains and joint strains, and they also work in aged care and other areas, but of particular importance is physiotherapy in the rehabilitation of surgery for orthopaedic and spinal conditions. And in this way, physiotherapists are an important part of the human healthcare team. They work closely with specialists, surgeons, doctors and other health professionals to ensure optimal injury management, care and rehabilitation for people. Now, the treatments and techniques we use for people are exactly the same as what we use in our treatment of animals. So physiotherapy is now becoming an accepted part of veterinary care. So physiotherapists work hand in hand with veterinarians, but also with farriers, equine dentists and animal trainers to ensure optimal injury management in animals and the best outcomes in rehabilitation for animals. We as physiotherapists mainly treat horses and dogs. In my career, I've had to treat some other animals. I've been asked to treat cats, I've been asked to treat cattle, I've treated marsupials, and I've even been asked to treat a duck. But if we consider our canine companions, dogs have some similar conditions and injuries to what humans have. Dogs often undergo orthopaedic surgery or spinal surgery, and we know in human healthcare that physios have a huge role in rehabilitating people who have undergone spinal surgery or orthopaedic surgery, in restoring function and reducing pain and getting people back to their normal function as soon as possible. And it's exactly the same in dogs. Apart from having to have rehabilitation for orthopaedic or spinal surgery, dogs also just suffer from conditions such as neck pain, back pain. They can have muscle strains and joint sprains. And even old dogs with their arthritic joints can benefit from physiotherapy for pain relief and for mobility. Dogs that have jobs, such as herding dogs, military or police dogs, even have work-related injuries just like people. And physiotherapists have a role here in helping to return the dog to its normal work. Horses in work or competition are elite athletes. And our elite athletes, footballers, basketballers, swimmers, cyclists, track and field athletes, all have physiotherapists at hand to not only help manage injuries, but also to prevent injuries and enhance performance. Horses have neck pain, back pain, sacroiliac injury, they have degenerative joint conditions, which is arthritis, and they can have soft tissue and muscle problems, including muscle imbalance. So physiotherapy can help, just like in people and in dogs, as we've discussed, all of these conditions in the horse. Some horses also undergo orthopaedic surgery for joint problems and may have other surgery such as colic surgery, from which they require rehabilitation to return to their previous level of performance. Now, with most equine sports, most equine competitions, it's a team. We have the equestrian athlete combination, which is the horse and the rider. Now, that's where physiotherapists, with their human degree, are uniquely placed to treat both the horse and the rider. Riders have to move well to ride well, and injuries that are carried by the rider or muscle imbalances that they may have can affect how the horse moves as well. So it's really important when looking at equine athletes to consider both parts of the team. So how do you find one of us? Well, here in Australia we have the Australian Physiotherapy Association, which is our professional body, and they have a list of all the physiotherapists who are qualified to provide physiotherapy for animals. And likewise around the world, whether we're called physiotherapists or physical therapists, like in the USA and other countries, there are professional bodies that would have those same details as we do here in Australia. But please remember to check the qualification of the person that you're contacting to provide animal physiotherapy to ensure you're getting the best care for your animal. Just like in medicine, over the decades, physiotherapy has become an essential part of human health care. The veterinary profession is now embracing physiotherapy to improve quality of life, enhance performance, and speed up recovery from injury in animals.